Why are you so tired all the time? You slept 8 hours. You drank your coffee. You did everything right. And yet by 2 p.m. you feel like you've been awake for 3 days. This isn't laziness. And it's probably not what you think. I spent weeks digging into the research on chronic fatigue. Not the medical condition. The phenomenon where high performers slowly burn out without realizing what's happening. What I found changed how I understand energy completely. Your body has 2 operating modes. The sympathetic nervous system handles threats, fight or flight, stress response, survival mode. The parasympathetic system handles recovery, rest and digest, repair, regeneration. Erase the problem. Your nervous system can't tell the difference between a lion chasing you and an angry email from your boss. Both trigger the same survival response. Cortisol floods your system. Heart rate increases. Digestion slows. Blood flows to your limbs. Your body prepares to fight or run. This response was designed to last minutes, maybe hours in extreme cases. But modern life keeps you in low-grade fight or flight for months, years, decades. Dr. Robert Sapolsky at Stanford has spent 30 years studying stress in primates. His research shows that chronic stress fundamentally changes your biology. Your adrenal glands get exhausted from constantly pumping cortisol. Your receptors get desensitized. Your baseline shifts. You don't feel stressed anymore. You just feel tired. All the time. A 2018 study in the journal Psychoneuroendocrinology found that people with chronic fatigue had significantly blunted cortisol responses. Their stress systems had essentially burned out from overuse. They weren't lazy. Their hardware was fried. Let me show you what this looks like. Ryan was a software engineer at a startup. Loved his job. Worked hard. Felt fine for the first 2 years. Then slowly something shifted. He started needing more coffee. Then energy drinks. He would crash hard on weekends. Sleep 10 hours and still wake up exhausted. He tried everything. Better sleep hygiene. Supplements. Exercise. Nothing worked. His doctor ran blood tests. Everything normal. Thyroid fine. Iron fine. No medical explanation. So Ryan assumed he was just getting older. Or maybe he was depressed. Or maybe he just needed to push through it. He didn't realize his nervous system had been stuck in survival mode for so long that it forgot how to turn off. Every notification. Every deadline. Every message from his manager. His body processed each one as a micro-threat. Not enough to notice consciously, but enough to keep the stress response simmering. The technical term is allostatic load. The cumulative wear and tear on your body from chronic stress adaptation. Dr. Bruce McEwen, who coined the term, found that high allostatic load predicts fatigue, cognitive decline, and accelerated aging independent of any specific disease. Your body isn't broken. It's exhausted from being on high alert every waking moment. Ryan eventually stumbled onto research about vagal tone. The vagus nerve is the main pathway of your parasympathetic system. It's literally the off switch for your stress response. People with high vagal tone recover quickly from stress. People with low vagal tone stay activated long after the threat is gone. And here's the key insight. Vagal tone isn't fixed. It's trainable. Ryan started with the simplest intervention. Slow exhales. The exhale activates the parasympathetic system. 6 seconds in, 8 seconds out, 5 minutes a day. Within 2 weeks, he noticed something. The afternoon crash wasn't as severe. Within a month, he was waking up actually feeling rested. He hadn't changed his job, hadn't changed his life circumstances. He had just started training his nervous system to remember how to turn off. This is the part nobody talks about. We optimize everything external. Sleep trackers, productivity systems, time management. But we ignore the operating system running underneath all of it. You can't outperform a fried nervous system. No amount of caffeine or discipline will fix hardware that's stuck in survival mode. The question isn't how do I get more energy? The question is why does my body think it's still in danger?